Wow, it's an apple. Apple. Apple is a sweet and delicious fruit. Wow, it's an orange. Orange. Orange are a very good source of vitamin C. Wow, it's a strawberry. Strawberry. Strawberries are soft, sweet, bright red berries. Wow, it's a kiwi. Kiwi. Kiwi is a national fruit of New Zealand. Wow, it's a watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelons for kids are a healthy options for summers. Wow, it's an apricot. Apricot. Apricots are small, about the size of a golf ball. Wow, it's an avocado. Avocado. An avocado is a bright green fruit with a large pit. Wow, it's a peach. Peach. Peaches are fruits that have a fuzzy skin. Wow, it's a plum. Plum. Plum are a small fruit that may be sweet and tart. Wow, it's a banana. Banana. Banana is a yellow colored fruit. Wow, it's a grapes. Grapes. Grapes are bulb-shaped fruit.